हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी फर्स्ट के मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर विद सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। इसे हम प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन बैंक भी कह सकते हैं। इस वीडियो में हम यूनिट नंबर 1 पर क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। यूनिट नंबर 1 में 3 चैप्टर है। फर्स्ट, इंट्रोडक्शन टू ह्यूमन बॉडी। सेकंड, सेलुलर लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड थर्ड, टिश्यू लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। ये क्वेश्चन बैंक मेडिकल और पैरामेडिकल साइंस दोनों के लिए है। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको किसी सवाल का जवाब आता है या आपके नॉलेज में है तो आप उसे कमेंट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर। सो क्वेश्चन बैंक ये रहा आपकी स्क्रीन पर। यूनिट नंबर 1 में फर्स्ट चैप्टर है इंट्रोडक्शन टू ह्यूमन बॉडी। Question number 1 is branch of science that studies the structure of the body. Answer is D. Anatomy. Question number 2. Opposite of superficial. Answer is deep. Third, the study of tissue is called histology. Fourth, the study of the function of the body. Answer is physiology. Five, what level of structural organization includes atom and molecules? Answer is chemical. Six, sweat gland, skin, hair and nails are structure of this body system. Integumentary. 7. What body system is responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between air and blood? Answer is respiratory. 8. The ability to maintain a stable internal environment. Answer is B. Homeostasis. 9. Which of the following describe the division of the body by a sagittal plane? Answer is B. A left and a right. 10. Which of the following describe the division of the body by a transverse plane? Answer is C. 11. Which system eliminates waste products and helps maintain homeostasis? Answer is A. 12. This system supports and protects vital organs, stores minerals, and produces red blood cells. Answer is A. 13. Homeostasis. Answer is C. 14. What are the definition for anatomy and physiology? Answer is C and D. 15. The maintenance of an organism's internal environment is called. Answer is B. Homeostasis. 16. You find a patient lying face down. Which position is this? Answer is C. 17. Which medical terms means to the front? Answer is B. 18. Which cavity includes the heart and lungs? Answer is A. 19. Which cavity contains the liver and gallbladder? Answer is B. 20. In the word cardiology, cardio would be considered a dash. Answer is B. 21. The cranial cavity includes which of the following? Answer is A. 22. Which terms means below? Answer is A. 23. The head is considered to be compared to the chest. Answer is D. 24. The standard position used when referring to the location on the body. Answer is A. 25. The toes would dash to the knees. Answer is A. 26. Where does digestion start? Answer is D. 27. Your lungs are part of which body system? Answer is D. 28. Which system pumps blood through your body? Answer is C. 29. which organ help with producing movement? Answer is D. 30. The heart responsibility is to. Answer is D. अब हम देखेंगे सेकंड चैप्टर पर, जिसका नाम है सेलुलर लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31, व्हाट मेक्स द एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम रफ? आंसर इज सी। 32, osmosis is the movement of dash across a membrane. Answer is D. 33, what is the name of the genetic material that is inside the nucleus? Answer is D. 34, what is the function of a lysosome? Answer is C. 35, cell division is also known as. Answer is C. 36, the correct sequence of mitosis. Answer is B. 37, a pair of similar chromosome is called. Answer is B. 38, the final stage of the cell cycle is called. Answer is C. 39, cells can communicate with one another via. Answer is D. 40, process where material are able to move from areas of higher concentration to lower concentration. Answer is B. 41, which of the following is the correct order of organization in living things from most basic, simple to most complex? Answer is C. 42, when a group of organs work together to perform a particular function, they create an. Answer is A. 43, the smallest level of organization of life in an organism. Answer is B. Question number 44, what is the difference between a cell and tissue? Answer is A. 45, tissue that works together to perform function. Answer is A.